If you want to enable or disable BeaconLink or free call on the Realme GT8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings, we should be able to find mobile network, and then scroll down in order to find the free call option. This is essentially the BeaconLink, but it is just named free call on Realme. And in this case, you need to actually sign in to a Realme account in order to be able to use this feature. And of course, the quickest way to do so is by using your Google account. And there we go. Then we can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. And also over here, we can read that in order to use this feature, we need to keep Bluetooth enabled. So if you deactivate the Bluetooth on your phone, then you will not be able to use it. And also note that people nearby will also be able to discover you when BeaconLink is on. So even here we can see that it is called BeaconLink. I guess they forgot to change that part over here. Of course, we need to grant access to all these permissions. There we go. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to use the free call, hopefully. Also here we have some settings that you might want to check out. We also have chats in here. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.